RealSense breaks free from Intel. The future of 3D vision for robots begins now. RealSense, the team behind those popular 3D depth cameras used in robotics, is stepping out on its own. After years under Intel and a bit of corporate back and forth, RealSense has officially spun out an independent company backed by $50 million from Intel Capital and MediaTek. Led by CEO Nadav Orbach, a long-term Intel veteran, the company brings along 130 employees, 115 from Intel and 15 fresh recruits, all now part owners of the new venture. Orbach calls them 130 founders, now building what he calls a startup focused on physical AI. RealSense already powers thousands of robots, from AMRs to humanoids, and now it's doubling down on software. Think visual SLAM for navigation and 3D safety to help robots avoid bumping into, well, everything. They've just launched the D555 PoE cameras and a new AI chip delivering 5 TOPS of onboarding compute, making the camera smarter and more responsive right at the edge. Now free from Intel's constraints, RealSense is moving faster, forming new partnerships and expanding into unexpected sectors, from agriculture to aquaculture, and with stability and a clear roadmap, customers are breathing a sign of relief. After all, in robotics, it helps when your vision provider has one of its own. And that's your robot news update for today. If you're curious how robotics can transform your business, join me for my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop. It's packed with insights, trends, and practical tips. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.